You're trying so hard to change your habits, to wake up earlier, to eat better, to be more disciplined, to finally get it together. But you're feeling frustrated. Your thoughts sound like, am I ever actually going to get there? I don't get it. There's so much that I have to do. I've been wanting this for years and I'm just tired. But of course it feels hard, because this was never just about habits. You're not just trying to drink more water or go for more walks. You're trying to undo years of survival mode, years of patterns, years of coping, years of becoming the version of you that did what she had to do just to make it through. And now you're asking that version of you to let go. That's not small work. That's identity work. That's literally becoming a whole new person. A person you probably don't even know how or who to be yet. And that's a lot of work. But it all changes when you realize this restart journey isn't about fixing yourself. It's about becoming a new version of you, like a phoenix. The old you made it through and did what it needed to. But now it's time for that one to go to rest and for the newer version of you to be born from those ashes. You are not repairing a broken person. You are building a new one, a stronger one, a wiser one, a more grounded one. This isn't a quick fix. This is a transformation. Imagine what life looks like on the other side. Imagine waking up and trusting yourself. Imagine not negotiating with yourself every morning. Imagine feeling peace and joy and happiness where there once was chaos. Imagine your children, your family meeting the healed version of you, not the exhausted version, not the survival version, the whole aligned version. The woman you've always known was in there. So stop thinking of this as a one and done project, like checking off the boxes will somehow get you there faster. You are on this journey for the rest of your life. You will continue to grow. You will continue to become better. You will continue to become the best version of yourself, but slowly, step by step. You are becoming someone who keeps promises to herself, someone who doesn't quit just because progress feels slow or she doesn't have immediate gratification, someone who understands that growth takes time and gives herself grace without lowering her standards, because she's in this for the long haul. You can be patient and still stay committed. Those two things coexist. So you keep going. One humble, real step at a time, not 50 steps, not a full life overhaul. That's how a new identity is built. Quietly, repeatedly, daily. So if your restart feels slower than you've hoped, that means it's a real restart. You're not just changing habits. You're not just checking a box and getting it done for a season. You're becoming a whole new person. Give yourself time. Give yourself patience. Give yourself the grace that you need. But never lose sight of your goal, because the person you're becoming is worth every uncomfortable step. And one day you're going to look back at this version of you and thank her for not giving up. Join the Restart Life Mama community linked down below, because you don't have to do this journey on your own. You can get support, tips, resources, and gentle accountability from women on the same journey as you. And remember, you didn't choose this mess, but you do get to choose what comes next. I'll see you next week.